Hey there! Ever wondered how your device magically finds its way around the internet? Let's dive into the fascinating world of DNS servers. Think of the internet as a massive city, and every website has a unique address, like a street number. But instead of street numbers, websites have complex IP addresses, long strings of numbers that are hard for us to remember. This is where DNS, or domain name system, servers come in. They act like the city's directory assistants. When you type a website name, like google.com, your device asks a DNS server, "Hey, what's the IP address for google.com?" The DNS server quickly looks it up and tells your device the correct numerical address, allowing you to connect to the website instantly. It's the invisible backbone that makes browsing the web so seamless. Pretty neat, right? Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, consider following for more tech insights.